Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Emily, and I'm really happy you're here today.
And I'm David. Welcome to the Inspire English podcast, a place where learning English becomes part of changing your life.
If this is your first time here, let us tell you something important. You're not here by accident.
Exactly. If you clicked on this video, it means you want to improve your English, but maybe also your confidence, your mindset, or even your future.
This podcast was created for people who understand English a little but feel stuck when they try to speak.
For people who are tired of memorizing grammar rules but still feel afraid to talk.
For people who want to speak English naturally, not perfectly, but confidently.
And for people who believe that learning English is more than a language. It's a tool to grow, connect, and create new opportunities.
This podcast is for beginners,
intermediate learners.
and anyone who wants to improve their English listening skills.
It's for students,
For professionals,
for dreamers.
for people who want a better future.
If English can help you get a better job,
Travel with confidence,
build international friendships,
or express yourself freely.
then this podcast is for you.
We promise to speak clearly,
To stay real,
to motivate you.
to grow with you.
You don't need to be perfect.
You just need to keep going.